Hey network and systems admins, Jack Wallen here to help you get things done. Let's install the ManageEngine OpManager so you can monitor both your network and the attached systems for issues.
Log into your instance of Linux, open a terminal window, and download the installer script with the command wget https://www.manageengine.com/network-monitoring/29809517/manage_64bit.bin. If you get an error that wget isn't installed, install it with sudo apt install wget-y. Once the file downloads, run it with sudo bash /manage_opmanager_64bit.bin. After a moment, you'll be greeted by the OpManager installer wizard. Click Next, agree to the license, and click Next again. You will then be prompted to sign up for support by entering a name, phone number, company name, email, and country. In the next screen, select a default folder for the installation. I recommend keeping the default of /opt/ManageEngine/OpManager and click Next. You will then be prompted to enter a port number for the web server. The default is 8060. If that port works for you, click Next. Otherwise, enter a different value and then continue with the installation. At this point, you'll need to accept the settings for your installation by clicking Install. The next step is to create a systemd startup file. Change into the OpManager default directory with cd/opt/manageengine/opmanager/bin. To create the startup file, issue the command sudo sh linkasservice.sh. You should now be able to start and enable the service with sudo systemcontrol enable --now opmanager. At this point, I found it necessary to reboot the machine, otherwise the OpEngine service would run but immediately exit. After logging back in, the OpEngine service started without a problem, and I could point a web browser to http://server:8060, where server is the IP address or domain of the hosting machine, and log in with the credentials admin.
If you want to learn more in the ways of everything tech, be sure to subscribe to our TechRepublic YouTube channel and watch more how-to videos at How to Make Tech Work.